Hi, just want to answer your question. Hello boss, naulang kita ulit nakita sa FYP ko. Gaano katagal lumaki yung 1 to 2 inches na rancho to breeder tas diet tubifex and egg yolk? For me lang ha, in my own experience, given na may proper filtration ka kahit DIY tulad nung sa akin, para malagaan yung water quality, and according to you mentioned sa diet nila is tubifex and egg yolk or steam egg, napakabilis lang lumaki ng isda, sir. 2 to 3 months breeder size na yan. Or maybe yung iba nga may 1 month old, since 2 inches, 1 month old. Pero 2 to 3 months for sure breeder size na yan sa ganyan na diet. At saka given, as I mentioned, yung magandang lalagyan, which is you can provide high water quality or water quality maganda. So mabilis lang talaga ang pagtubo ng kahit anong isda.